In this tutorial, we are going to learn what we can do when we get an error on a bulk upload file. So, I'm going to demonstrate uploading a file. Upload my file, and it's going to return with errors. I can save this file or I can open it. Click OK to open it. The spreadsheet will open and show me what my errors are in the error reason column. All I have to do is figure out my error, invalid package configuration. I can reference the global settings to figure out where my mistake is and correct my mistake. As my mistakes are corrected, I save my file. Now I can go back to the system, go back to bulk upload, drag the file here, or click in the box and select it. Click open, click upload, and now my prices will be added to the system. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.